Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your retirement with Fidelity detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current financial situation. Gather all relevant documents regarding your income, expenses, and savings. Evaluate your current retirement savings. Determine how much you've already saved and how much additional savings you might need. Next, visit the Fidelity website to explore available retirement accounts. Consider opening a traditional IRA or a Roth IRA based on your financial goals. Both accounts have unique tax benefits that can help grow your retirement funds. If you're employed, check if your company offers a 401k plan. Contribute enough to take full advantage of any employer match available. This is essentially free money that boosts your retirement savings. Explore Fidelity's various investment options. Consider a diversified portfolio that includes stocks, bonds, and other assets. Evaluate your risk tolerance to guide your investment choices. Fidelity offers managed accounts that can simplify your investment decisions. These accounts can help you stay on track with your retirement goals. Next, regularly review your retirement plan. Monitor your investments and make adjustments as necessary. Keep an eye on market fluctuations and perform rebalancing if needed. Consider setting up automatic contributions to your retirement accounts. This ensures consistent saving without additional effort on your part. Use Fidelity's retirement planning tools to project your future savings. These tools can help you visualize how much you'll need to retire comfortably. Meet with a Fidelity financial advisor if you need personalized guidance. They can provide insights tailored to your specific financial situation. Stay informed about changes in tax laws that may affect your retirement savings. Adjust your strategy accordingly to maximize your savings potential. Finally, celebrate small milestones along the way. Each step you take, whether big or small, is progress toward a secure retirement. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.